Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to make a calculator application using Java and Swing. So output of our application will be looking something like this. So without wasting time, let's get started. So let's create a project first. I'm doing this application in my Spring Tool suite. You can do it in Eclipse, or you can do it also you can do it in NetBeans. So let's get started. Just create a new project. It's a Java project, so select Java, click next and give a project name. I want to give this name as my calculator. You can give any name using Java 1.8. Finish. Now here is project. I will just go to my project and I will just make a new package. You can give any name. Finish. In this package we are going to make a Windows builder. So for that you have to go to others and select Swing. You will get application window. If you are not getting this option, what you can do, you can just go to Eclipse marketplace and you can just type Swing and you can download that download and install it in your Eclipse and it will be working. So for now I will go here and I will just start Windows application, click on next and I just give the name. I will give it calculator and click on finish. So once you are done, you will be getting this predefined code. You will be getting, which will be having a class calculator, then main method, some initializer. So you will get what design view here. It is a source view. Design view you can get from here. Just click it here. You will get a design view. If you don't want this, I will minimize it. This is the palette sections. First, let's make it a bit power size. save your application and let's run and check it. So we are getting something like this. Now here is our cursor, we want it to be here, so what we can do, we can just go to this text field, just make it trailing, save it and run it and check. It's trailing now. So now we are done with the designing part. Now we have to configure everything. So when we are pressing one should be displayed here. So what we can do, we can just double click it, or we can go to add event handler, action and action performed, or you can directly double click it will take you to the same place. So we came it here. So what we want, when we press one should be displayed in the when we are pressing one, the one should be displayed here. So what we can do, what is the name of the field? First we have to know what is the name of the field. So we want to display it here. So the name of the field is, let's check it. The name of the field is text field. So we have to set some text in here. So we'll write text field dot set text. What we have to set when we are pressing one, we have to set one. Save it and let's run and check. So when we are pressing one is displayed. Okay. So similarly, when we press 2, then 2 should be displayed. For that, text field dot set text, we have to display 2, right? So 2 should be displayed. Now let's once again run it and check what's happening. So when we are pressing 1 is displayed. When we are pressing 2, 1 is replaced. So that's not a correct thing to do. Suppose we have to add 2 digit numbers, so it will be a problem. So what we can do, see, we are setting 1 in the text field, but it is replacing only with the 1 digit. So what we can do, we can tell our application that if there is earlier any text is available in the field, for that you need to get the text if there is already some text available there. So text field, in the text field if there is any text available, so text field dot get text, it will get the text if there is any available, and plus 1. So what that will do, like if there is any text available, that will be there, and plus 1, that means that it will append this one also. Okay, so let's try to do the same here also. Save it and let's check the output now. So when we press 1 now and press 2, so it will not replace it. That's correct. So we have to do the same for all the buttons. So what we can do, we can just go to design and select all the buttons. Okay, and just go to action performed, and in action performed, what action we have to perform, we have to give it here. So we have done for 2, we'll copy this thing and we'll do it for all the buttons. Try to run it and check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 0. So everything is working fine. We have to implement this clear button. So clear button is the easiest one and will be your favorite one. Go to design and just click on clear. So clear button, what it will do, suppose we have some text here, and when we click on clear, it will clear everything. This is what we want. So what we can do, we have to clear it from text field. Text field dot set text. What we have to set, nothing, right? So just give nothing. So it will clear whatever you are having in the text field. Clear. And now the next we will go for back button. So this is the trickiest one, and you should concentrate on this one. Click on the back button, double click, and go to action performed. So in the action performed, what we will do, let's have a look here. So suppose we are having some text here, and when we press back button, only one text should be deleted. Okay, only one text should be deleted. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the length of 5. So when we click on the back button, only 4 should be remaining. So for that, what we need to do, we need to get the size of what we have here. How can we get? Text field dot get text. I've got the text dot length. So we have got the length of it. What we need to do, we can store this length somewhere. Int length equals to, we have stored it here. So we have got the length. Also, after deleting, what is the length? It was 5, now it is 4. So that also we want. Int number equals to text field dot get text length minus 1. So in this one, suppose it is 5. Let's have a look here. So we are having a text box and we are having a length of, we have a length equals to 5. Suppose we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have a length of 5 here, and also we have a number which is a length of 4. So what we can do, we have something called a string builder, which in which there is a method called delete char add. So when we apply this delete char add, it will delete whatever the index we will give there, it will delete that number. Okay. So suppose it's in the string builder. So how it will be string builder, everything will be like this. Suppose these things are here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the things in the text field, and these are the index 0, 1, 2, 4. So we have this any string builder. Okay. So this string builder has a method called delete char add int index. This is the method. So what this will do, when we give delete char add number, so delete char add number, that means that the length is 5, but what is at the number 4 number, that is the index is 4. At 4 it will delete this thing, right? So at 4 it will delete this thing, and it will go on like that. So let's implement it here. Got this. We have to get string builder sb equals to new string builder, and what we will pass it here, we will, what we want in the string builder, we want all these things. What is this? In the text field. So in the text field we have to pass it text field dot get text. Okay, so we have got in this string builder, we have got the text. Now what we need to do, we need to delete char add sb dot delete char add index. What index? Number, right? Okay, but when it will happen, if nothing is there, then it will throw an error. If nothing will be there in this one, then it will throw an error. So we have to make it if length is greater than 0. So if length is greater than 0, then we can do this. So it's a string builder. We need to convert it into string. So for that we need to store it somewhere. String store. So store equals to sb dot to string, because the text field here will only accept string. It will not accept even integer or any other objects type. So it will only store strings only. So we need to convert it to string. Now we have converted once, and we need to again set the same thing in the text field. So text field dot set text. What we need to set is whatever we modified to set it here. So now done. Let's check it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, when we press back, okay, it's working fine. Now let's go on to implement plus, minus, multiplication and division. After that we will implement this result. So for that, what we need to do, we need to make the method which will do some arithmetic operations. Where we can make the method, we have to make the method in the main class. Let's have some variables here, int variable, answer, calculation. Let's define a method. Method name arithmetic operation. So what this arithmetic operation will do, will implement a switch case. Switch on calculation. Case 1 will perform addition. How it will perform addition? Answer equals to num plus, see it here, when we get 11 and press plus button, so it will take whatever we have given here. This will be num, 11 will be num, okay, and whatever we are again typing 22, this we will get it here. How we can get? Dot set get text field dot get text. This num we will implement here. Currently we are implementing this the second number here. When we are clicking plus, after that what should come here? So text field dot get text. But as I said, text field will only accept strings, but this is the type double, so we need to convert it to double dot parse double, and to parse this thing, okay. You have got it. Now so whatever the answer we have got, that we need to set it in this field. Whatever answer we will get, suppose 33 we will get here result, so we need to set it into this field. So text field dot set text. What we need to set? This answer. We need to set this answer, but answer is of the type double, so we need to convert it into a string, right? Double dot to string answer, and after that break. Fine. We have to do this for all the four things, four calculations. We are done with this part. Now we have to make sure this name num. We have to configure this num now with our buttons. So we design and double click on plus. What is num here? Num equals to, what's num here? I type 11. This I have to take it as num, and also have to take this sign. So num, how we can get? Text field. How we can get this num here? Text field dot get text. Okay, but this is of the type string, so we have to pass it to double. Pass double string. And we have to perform calculation. First one 1. Calculation equals to 1. Let's try it once. $11 plus, nothing is happening, right? We click plus, nothing is happening. So say I want this 11, once I click plus, this 11 to come up here and this field should be cleared. So for that I need to have a text field here, or we can say a level here, which will store the value. So I am using J level. I will place it here. So I want the, it should be whatever we have when we click a plus button, that should go in that level. So level, what is the name of the level? Just level, we can name it my level. My level. Now use it. My level dot set text. What text we need to set? We need to set the text field, whatever is here. Text field dot get text. Get text. Now the error is with my level. That's because we have declared it here. This my level is at the last. We have to declare it before using it. We can declare it here somewhere. Save it. And where is the error? The error is gone now. So once we set the level here, we need to clear our text field. Text field dot set text. I want to remove everything from there. So let's run it once. So when I press 11 and plus, it's coming as 11, not the operation. So what we can do here, give plus and let's see now. Okay, it's coming plus now. Fine. Now we need to do the same thing for all the buttons. Lessons. We have to implement one more thing, that is result the main thing. But the main thing is nothing, just you have to automatic operations, fine, and it will be done. Run it. 11 plus result 33. Clear. 2. Okay, so here is a problem. When we click back, nothing is happening. Clear, nothing is happening. So when we are pressing clear, this should also be cleared. So go to clear. What we have to clear? We have to clear the level also. My level set text clear. Okay, now let's again test it. 22 minus 0, so the result is not, this one is not working. Again here also, from here also we need to remove that one. Go to result after giving the automatic operation. You need to go to action performed. I think it's at first. Here high level dot set text to nothing. Again test it. Fine now. So now this thing is done. We need to work on the look of it. How we can work on the look? Just select how you want to configure. Okay, I want it to be 14 and bold. Also I want the foreground color to be something like this. Here also I want the same. I want the font to be save it, run it. It's good. Now we need to configure the look and feel of the application. So for that you need to have a jar file. The jar file is jtattoo. We can download it. We can get this jar file from the repository. Repository. Just type jtattoo and you will get the jtattoo here. To go here, select any version and you can download this jar file and you can configure your build path from here. Go to project, build path, configure build path, add jar, add external jar window. If you downloaded it, I have it here, saved it. Okay, apply force. So I got this jtattoo jar file here. Okay, so this jtattoo jar file you can implement. How you can implement this jtattoo jar file is a separate video I have made. In this video also I will show you how to implement this jtattoo, but if you want a more clarification you can go to, I will provide the Just go to the source file, go to the main method. Where is the main method? Here it is. Okay, and we need to write some code here. That code I will provide in the description of this video. You can copy that and you can use it, but you need to have this JTATO file. So this is the code. To copy this code from the description, it's given there. I just copied it and just go to your application. After the main method, just paste it and do the necessary imports whatever is required. Here you need to change your class name. Class name is calculator here, so I will put calculator. Okay, also you need to import whatever is required. You need to import it. Let's see the output. Wow, we got a good one. Okay, also one more thing you need to make sure, when we maximize it, it's not looking good. So what we can do, we can just go to the source code and select the pen, and we can resizable. We have to make it false or unselect the true, and that's it. Let's run it, and we are getting a very good looking nice look and feel. Also you want to this app on your desktop, what you can do, you can just go to folder, file, export, and just click on runnable jar file, click on next. You just select your application, calculator, my calculator application, where you want. You just select a path, select on the desktop. Okay, finish. Okay, this is my calculator I got. So thanks for watching. This is my channel name. Subscribe to my channel and like my videos. Thank you for watching. See you.